Well, good evening. The little goats are having a good eat. And it is just pouring out. I asked Alexa, and she said that we were supposed to, and you can hear in the background, she said that it was going to stop around 8:30. So maybe it'll give up a little bit. I don't know. I'm going to make sure everybody's got good feed and lots to eat. Yeah, you too. Jitterbug, you can go eat hay. Yeah, you're such a sweet girl, Jitterbug. You saw Mr. Snow. I rubbed on him until he stopped. Poor Gladys. What's the matter, Gladys? Are you okay? Poor little girl. Indy's having a good time. Mr. Jerry's out here. Hey, Mr. Snow. Are you having fun standing on your mom? Mr. Frost and Jasmine and Jenna, they're all eating hay with their mom. Molly's going out for Molly. Hi, Lola. Where's your little man? Where's Lloyd? There he is. He's eating hay. Yeah. Blondie and Betty. They're good sisters. Yes, they are. Sounds like we're going to get a little more rain tomorrow, but it's supposed to be warmer, which would be good. Warmer is always better. Yes, I was scratching your butt too. Yes. Pearl wants to get patted too. She needs lots of love, and she's a good little girl. See, this is what I like to do when I come out here. Just stand and pet my girls, talk to them. And the little goats, too. Little men like Snow and Frost. They have lots to say. Mr. Frost like to go play. Gracie's down cleaning anything up that might have been good dropped. Jasmine is being a good girl. Jenna's in there getting hay too. Mr. Jerry's up high looking for moses. Jitterbug, what do you want, Jitterbug? My little love bug here. He just wants loving all the time. Oh. I think he likes that. Miss Rita, why don't you come over and get scrubbed? I'll scratch you and love you. Yeah. Oh, that just totally. Are you going to fall asleep, little man? Are you? Are you going to get up here where I can talk to you? Here you go. Here you go. You're a smart man, aren't you? Well, what? Well, come up here. Come on. Are you going to come up here and talk to me or what? Oh, you're a little cat. Did that little cat come and scare you? Oh, no. Oh, no. Hi, Miss Rita. Oh, you are such a fine little girl. Oh, can't touch me. I'll get my Aunt Rita or Aunt Jitterbug to take care of you. Oh, thanks for watching. That little interaction between Jerry and Rita is just about the best. Rhoda's over here giving me a smile. And, honestly, I can't think of a better time with them. So, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and click the like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you'd like to hear, what you'd like to see. And in the meantime, Mr. Raj is saying good night. And Rita's saying, oh, that cat is bothering me. Miss Rita. So, yes, I have cats that want help too. All right, everybody have a good evening.